welcome back to Devon Lee Design Studio. My name's Nicole Reed and today we're starting our new series of beginner macrame and we're going to make a keyring slash scissor minder using a basic square knot. So let's get started. Okay, so today we're making a scissor minder or keyring, whichever you want to use it for. You're going to need some macrame cord, you're going to need a lobster clasp and a split keyring. You're going to need scissors if you're using it for a scissor minder. You're going to need a bulldog clip. You're going to need some fabric scissors to cut your cord, and you're also going to need a comb and some extra cord, and this extra cord is actually used as our anchor, so you'll be able to sit down and make this. You won't have to stand up, and all we're going to do with that is basically clasp that to our cutting board in front of us, and then that way we've got a good anchor and we can create our knot. Now if you're looking for a kit, we do have kits available that have everything that I just listed there, the cord and the key ring. That's all included in the kit. They're listed over on our website, so you can head over there and grab one of those. Alternatively, we've got some links down below where you can grab some supplies for yourself. Alrighty, so we're going to get started by first of all taking our spare yarn or cord, whatever that you're going to use, and we're just going to slide that through our lobster clasp just like so, and it's just going to create a loop there for us. So what we're going to do with the rest of this is we're going to get our bulldog clip and we're going to attach it to the top of our cutting board. And you can see there that it's just anchored in nicely and it's not going to go anywhere. The bulldog clip holds it really good in place, and you don't have to stand up to do this. Okay, so you're also going to need two pieces of cord, approximately 1.20 m or 45 inches in length, and you're going to take one of those cords and you're going to fold that in half like so. So you've got an end that is curved and two ends down the opposite end. And what we're going to do first of all is we're going to create our first knot called a lark's head knot, and what we do is we take this piece here and we put it through our split key ring, and we fold it over to the back, and then we grab those tails and we bring it through and we create a knot just like so. And then we repeat that with our second piece of cord. Again, the ends, so we've got a curved spot up at the opposite end, and then we just pop that through, grab those tails and slide them through, and then tighten them up. So now you've got 4 cords there. Okay, so for the basic square knot that we're doing today, all you're going to do is you're going to keep 2 into the center like so, and then you've got a left and a right one. So first of all, we're going to start on the left hand side, and we're going to take our cord and we're going to make what looks like a letter 4. Okay, then we're going to take our right one and we're going to place that over the top of the cord that's going out this way. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take it all the way under both the middle ones and the top one, and we're going to bring it out into this loop here. So I'm just going to slide that up and grab it, and you can see there that it's starting to wrap around. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to pull that all the way up. Add some pressure onto your middle strands and that will keep it in place. Another bulldog clip will come in handy for that, and that's it. That's the first half of our knot. So now what we're going to do is, now we started with the left, now we're going to go to the right. So again, we put the right over and make it backwards 4. And then we're going to take this over and we're going to come up under that loop. So holding everything in place, so we're taking our left over the top of that and through there, and then we're just going to pull that tight. And now you have completed a full square knot. Okay, so again, we're going to start on the left hand side. Make our number 4, go over the top of this one here with our right hand side, and then go completely under the project and coming out of that loop, and then we just pull that tight. Okay, so we've done another half square. Then again, from the right hand side, create a backwards 4, come over the top, and then through, underneath and through that hole. And again, putting a little bit of pressure on those center ones, and now we've created 2 knots. So basically you're going to repeat that, starting from the left hand side once you've completed your knot. So we're back over here to the left and over, then through and up. Then from the right hand side, the left hand goes over the top and through underneath the center and through that loop. Put a little bit of pressure on your center ones. You can see it's starting to take shape. Okay, so now we've completed our loop. So now we go from the left, the right side goes over the left hand tail, then under the entire project and through the loop. And just remember to put a little bit of pressure onto your center ropes. Now from the right, the left goes over, and under. We've completed another one. Starting from the left again and over, and you will get quicker and quicker at it, and you may have to say to yourself left, right. Okay, so now we're at the right hand side, the left over that and through the project. Okay, so that's our last one. So now we're ready to finish up our piece. So we're just going to create with this one here, we're going to create a loop in it, and we're just going to put it to the back, and then we're going to take one of our longer ones and we're going to wrap it around about 3 or 4 times. So 1, 2, and 3. And then what we're going to do is we're actually going to bring this tail through that loop, coming in from the back, and then we're going to pull this bit here, this top tail, we're going to pull that. And you can see there it just disappears up into it and pulls it nice and tight. So give that a really good pull. Okay, so you can see there that that little loop has just gone up into there, and that's finished it off. So we can just grab our fabric scissors and you can snip that down into there. Be careful not to snip anything else, and then that'll just disappear into there. And then snip off our excess down here, and then you should be able to just unstrand. You can use a yarn needle or something like that. I generally just grab a comb because it's got the little teeth, and you can see there it just combs it out quite nicely. And then I just like to give that a nice trim so it's all even. Then unclip it and take it off our excess strand, and there you go. You've got a cute little keyring, or a scissor minder, which is what mine's going to be. So my scissors now have, because I always tend to lose my little thread snips, and this way it can just hang on the edge of my machine, and I've got a little keyring, and I can look for that larger tail on it to always find them. Okay, so thank you very much for joining us today. I really do hope that you enjoyed making the square knot scissor minder keyring. It's a quick little project that make a perfect gift for anybody that is into sewing, or even just to find your different scissors, and you could make them color coordinated if you wanted to. So that's the basic square knot, and next month we'll be working on a different knot. So hopefully you'll come back and join us again for a great little tutorial. And if you like this video today, give us a thumbs up down below, hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon beside it, and that way you won't miss out on any future posts. And as always, we love to hear from you, so leave us a comment down below. And for those that don't know, my name's Nicole Reid for Divana Lee Design Studio, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.